Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best robotic pool cleaner with dual motor. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the best robotic pool vacuum for in-ground pools. Easy to use and ideal for in-ground pools up to 50 feet. This machine will clean your pool in just 2 hours. Plus, we found that it was lightweight and user-friendly. Dual scrubbing brushes effortlessly wipe down algae and grime, while a filter picks up even the finest particles of dirt and sand. Built-in sensors can detect obstacles at the bottom of your pool and avoid them with little interruption. The Nautilus is also designed to scale up pool walls and clean around stairs. Just keep in mind it won't scrub your water line. Overall, we felt that it was a highly effective model to consider. It's also worth noting the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus has an easy-to-use 3-setting function, which allows you to schedule your robot to clean every day, every other day, or every third day. Thanks to the timer, you'll never have to worry if your pool is clean when you want to use it. Number 7 in my list is Polaris 9650 IQ Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. With built-in Wi-Fi and the option to connect to its own iAqualink app, the Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner is the best pool cleaner if you prefer smart features. Whether home or away, you'll be able to control your robot right from your phone, including scheduling cleans and checking how dirty the filter is. You can also manually drive your robot around the pool and customize its cleaning pattern. Overall, we felt that the pool cleaner was effective at suctioning the pool walls and floor. It was able to easily climb up the water line, unlike some other models. Plus, it runs quietly and can be programmed to different cleaning modes based on what your pool needs. The cleaner is 44 pounds, which is heavier than some other options out there. However, with this model, you can activate the cleaner's lift system through the app, which will tell your robot to scale the wall so you can easily lift it out of the water. We tested this pool cleaner for 3 months and used it about 4 times a week. We didn't experience any issues with it. In fact, we noted that this was the first pool cleaner that we used in our freeform pool that covered all of the pool's edges without getting stuck. The filter pump also doesn't need to run at full speed, so it's quiet, making it more enjoyable to relax near the pool while the robot is cleaning. Number 6 in my list is Dolphin 2024 model Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Overall, the Dolphin Explorer E50 Robotic Pool Cleaner is the best pool cleaner to consider. After using the pool cleaner 3 times, we found that it was highly effective and easy to use. Overall, we gave this model a perfect score during testing. Although the pool cleaner is more expensive than other options, our testing proved to us why it was worth the investment. To start, setting up the unit was easy. All we had to do was plug it in and download the Pool Cleaner's app, which we found to be very user-friendly. There are a few cleaning cycles to choose from, but for our first round of testing, we gave one of the more advanced modes a try. It took 2.5 hours to clean our pool, and we found that easily picked up debris of all sizes. We also had similar results when trying other cleaning cycles that were shorter. The deep clean was due in part to the pool cleaner's double-filtered waste basket, which helped pick up even the finest debris. Once the basket is full, it's easy to remove and empty with the press of a button. One of our favorite features of this pool cleaner is the ability to customize the interface to suit your needs via the corresponding app, which we found was easy to set up and use. Whether you need to clean the whole pool or just the floors, you'll be able to set the model to suit your needs. Number 5 in my list is Xpert S2 Robotic Pool Cleaner. Xpert offers a complete lineup of robotic pool cleaners, but the S2 is one of its newer models, and it offers convenient cordless operation. With a 3-hour battery charge, the robot works up to 210 minutes to clean up to 3,229 square feet. This includes your pool's bottom, walls, and water line. The robot's smartphone app allows you to choose between 6 wall and floor cleaning paths to meet the specific cleaning needs of your pool. The Xpert S2 generates immense suction power, up to 3,592 GP8. Its dynamic scrubbing brushes and powerful triple motor mean a great clean. It collects debris, leaves, and tough dirt from the floor and walls of your pool without any hassle. It also relies on ultrasonic infrared technology to ensure maximum cleaning. Thanks to its improved obstacle navigation, the S2 effortlessly conquers pool steps, main drains, and inclines. It also works on all pool materials including tile, vinyl, fiberglass, and concrete. Number 4 in my list is Polaris VRX IQ Plus Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. This app-controlled pool cleaning robot has 7 integrated cleaning modes and comes with a 70-foot-long, tangle-resistant cable. It measures your pool's shape, size, and surface material, and then calculates the optimal cleaning approach and mode. Using the robot's proprietary app, it's easy to schedule recurring cleaning cycles, view the current temperature, access additional cleaning modes, and receive status updates straight from the robot. The VRX IQ Plus uses what Polaris refers to as Vortex vacuum technology, which uses the robot's 4-wheel drive and extra-long cable to provide superior cleaning, from the floors up to its waterline and everywhere in between. Number 3 in my list is Robotic X1C Robotic Pool Cleaner. This mid-priced robotic pool cleaner has also been upgraded for 2024. It now provides up to 150 minutes of powerful suction and cleaning with each battery charge. Its strong power comes from a 7800 mAh high-performance battery that works with the robot's 3,300 GPa suction power and triple smart motors. The wheels of this pool cleaning robot are equipped with scrubbing brushes that do an excellent job removing dirt and debris from surfaces for easy pickup. The robot can rotate forward and reverse, which allows it to produce reaction force on the mesh of the filter during operation. This prevents its filter from getting blocked. The 4-liter top-load filter cartridge traps and locks in debris for optimal cleaning. This is a true set-and-forget robot. When it's done working, it parks by the end of your pool for easy retrieval. The Tank X1C will clean a pool's bottom, walls, and waterline. It works on concrete, vinyl, or tile surfaces. Number 2 in my list is Xpert Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This is a robotic pool vacuum designed specifically for above-ground pools. It's been newly upgraded for 2024 and is the perfect solution for your flat-floored pools with no slopes. It can clean up to 860 square feet, a pool up to 30 feet long. The SG800B is completely cordless and hassle-free to operate. The SG800B features dual-drive motors. It offers up to a 90-minute battery life and is lightweight to carry. It can even be activated with just one click. When the robotic pool cleaner has completed its cycle or its battery is low, it automatically stops near your pool's wall for easy retrieval. The robot's dual suction inlets allow it to pick up dirt and debris, taking a lot of the manual labor out of pool maintenance. It comes with a charging dock that plugs into a standard electrical outlet, but the robot itself provides cordless operation. It's like an iRobot Roomba that's wearing scuba gear. Number 1 in my list is Dolphin Explorer E70 Wi-Fi Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Explorer E70 is a newly updated for 2024 robotic pool cleaner and vacuum that comes with its own caddy. It uses powerful suction to climb pool walls and pull dirt and debris from the bottom of your pool and its drains. It works on all in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, regardless of shape or surfacing. An intuitive smartphone app lets you set a cleaning schedule. It also alerts you when the tank needs to be emptied or its filter needs to be cleaned. And while it can be set up to work autonomously from the app, you can remotely steer it too. This is one of the best-selling robotic pool cleaning robots on Amazon. It's earned a 4.5-star rating out of 5, based on almost 6,000 reviews. Users appreciate the robot's built-in scrubbing brushes that remove stubborn algae from the walls and bottom of the pool. It also has enough suction power to clean a pool's drain, plus skim along the surface to remove debris from the waterline. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.